morning, students. Last class we have studied about HTML. So HTML is a hypertext markup language and it is used for creating web pages. Generally, this HTML document consists of text content and the special instructions called as tags. This tags tells the browser how to display the content in the web page. So basic history, we have seen that HTML is developed by the Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, then we have seen that HTML5 is the latest version of HTML and it supports more than 100 different HTML tags. Okay, in HTML5 it is a better support for audio and video and also the drawing capability. So we have seen that HTML is not a case sensitive language, means uppercase and lowercase letters you can use both of them. Then the file is saved using .html or .htm and we can create our web page using this notepad or any text editor. Okay, there are two types of tags we have seen: container and empty. Container means that is having the opening as well as the closing. Okay, just like the head tag, title tag I told you. Then empty tag means it is having only the opening, it is not having the closing. So the basic of HTML we have seen in the last class. Today we will see how to create our HTML document. So just pay attention. Okay, I am creating a new file. That is, by file, click on new button, you will get a blank file. Now here you have to write your code, okay, for your web page. So how to start? Each HTML document starts with the HTML tag. Okay, so let me write HTML. So this is our tag and these tags are written in the within the angular brackets. These are called as angular brackets. Okay, and opening and closing in this way you have to do. Means closing tag just by putting the forward slash. Okay, so this HTML. Then after, there are two important sections. One is the head section, like this. This is again the opening tag and it is the closing tag. So this all tags are example of container tags. Okay. So inside the head, you can just include your title. Title, title. Just check the spelling. So title tag actually shows the title to your web page. What title you want to give your web page, that title it should come here. Okay, in this place. Here you have to write that one. So this is the first section of HTML document. It is called as the head section, that is used for defining the header areas. Okay. Then after, the next section it is coming called body tag. All the contents, if you say that the text, images that will be displayed on your web page, it comes under the body tag. So inside the body tag, you have to write all the contents that you want to include in your web page. Okay, so this is the body tag. So in this way, all HTML documents are created. In HTML tag, within the HTML tags, you have create head and the body. Okay, so let us see now. Let me give some title here. Okay, my first web page. Okay, now inside the body, I am just writing welcome to my website. Okay, welcome to my website. Now you have to save the HTML file. Okay, so how to save the HTML file? Just go to the file menu and click on the save button. Go to the file menu, click on the save button. Now here you have to save the file. Okay, so file name, how you will give the file name? Just write the file name. Suppose I am giving the home page. Then you have to use .html. In this way you have to write down. Okay, like this, homepage.html. html. Okay. Then after, just here you select all files, and it is better to enclose the file name within double quotes. Okay. Within double quotes, you have to enclose. Okay. In this way, you save your file. And also one thing, the location. I will advise you, you just create one folder. Okay. I will advise you, you create one folder in the desktop. So just check the location where you want to save your HTML file. Okay. So select any folder. Let me select the desktop folder. In the desktop folder, I will create a new folder, right? What I told you in the desktop, or you can also select the D drive, E drive of your computer system. Then you create a new folder. Okay. So let me create a new folder on the desktop, and I will give the name to this folder HTML practice, right? Now I will open the folder. I will just double click on this folder. Then this folder will open, and now I will save my file. So how I have given the file name, you just check it. Homepage.html within the double quotes. So any name you can give. In place of homepage, you can give your name, but .html is compulsory to add it. Actually, it indicates that this is a HTML file. It indicates that this is a HTML file, and it will open in a web browser. And here also, in this particular text documents, just select the all files. Okay. Then after you save your file. When I save my file, let us go to that location only. So on the desktop, I have the HTML practice folder that I have created now. Just double click on it. After that, you will see that your home page have the Google Chrome icon. Means it is a web page and it will open in the browser softwares. Okay. And you know that web browsers help you to open the websites. Means all the web pages are displayed in the web browser softwares. And there are so many examples available. There are so many softwares just like Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, then after this Google Chrome. Okay, so let me double click on this file, and you can also do right click open with any browser. Suppose you want to open with other browsers, so right click on it, open with, then you can also choose some other web browsers, Internet Explorer or Edge. Okay, so it is up to you, means on which browser you want to open your web page. So by default, my web browser is Google Chrome, so it will open in that. Okay, or you can also open in the Internet Explorer. I am showing both. Just wait. It is opening. So here is my page, and you can see here the title. Because I have written the my first web page, so it is coming in the title. Let me show you the code also. Okay, so you can properly see the changes. Okay, so let me adjust this file also. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Okay, now see. So here, see the title. Here I have just written my first web page. So whatever you are writing inside the title tag, it will display on the title bar of your web page. And then after whatever you are typing in the body section, it will come in this area. Okay. So at present, our web page is not looking so good because just we have typed the basic contents we have written. We have not given any color combination in this all thing. So what we can do, here now, you can add some color in the body tag. Okay, and I told you, if you add any functionality to your tag, that are called as attributes. Attributes are the addition, are used to increase the functionality of the tag. Okay, so here I am adding now body bz color. This is called as background color, and spelling, just check it. And you don't have to put space here also. If you put a space, then this tag will not work. This attribute will not work. So just see here, bz color, that is background color, and color spelling is COLOR. Now you have to give the value, and we give the value by putting the equal to sign. Then in inverted, don't write single quote two times like this. This is wrong method. You have to use the shift button, okay, and then shift, just press the shift and hold it, and then type the inverted. Means double quote it will come. Okay. Some students are doing like right single quote like that. No, double quote directly in this way. After that, you put the color. Suppose I am putting the red color. Then after the text color, what do you want? So text, suppose I want white color. Okay. Then after you save this file, just go to the file and click on save button. Now come to the web page. Come to the web page and just click on this reload button or refresh it, F5. By pressing the F5 is the shortcut key to refresh the web page. So click here. So now you will see the background of the web page is red color and the text is color is the white color. Okay. You can select the beautiful colors also. Okay. So for that, I will advise you, you just download the extension called ColorZilla. This is my ColorZilla option. You can also get this ColorZilla, okay? And you can pick the color picker. Then what will happen? If any color you are selecting, suppose this color or any beautiful color, then there is a hexa code it is coming. The color code of that particular color. Suppose I want to select this color, okay? This color. So here the code is coming. Just you select it, copy this code. After copying, you just come here and click in place of red color in this way. Now you will get the hexa code for every color like this. Okay. After this, you have to save this file and come to this file. Just click on reload. So see, this way beautiful colors you can add. So this is the ColorZilla option. You can search in the Google ColorZilla and then add it. Okay. At this time, I don't have the internet connection, Hana, but you can practice it. Just do the new, just click on the new tab and just search for the ColorZilla. So it will install, and then after you will get the any color code from here. When you click here, then the code is changing and you can just copy and paste here. Okay. So in this way, different variety of colors you can take it. Okay. So this is the basic of the colors. Let us see now. Let me increase the size of this text. Welcome to my website. So how to do that? Just put here heading tag called as H1. Then after you close it, H1. There are total 6 levels of heading. H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. H1 suppose is the main heading, H2 is the subheading, H3 in that same order. है So H1 is the largest one and H6 is the smallest one. So here I have given the H1 tag, welcome to my website. Now you see the changes, click on file, save it. Whatever you are doing, just click on file and save it. Then again come to your web page and reload it. So you will come to know what changes it is there. Okay. Then after, suppose you want to produce some marquee effect, means scrolling effect. This particular welcome to my website comes in the scrolling. Just see it. There is one tag called marquee tag. Okay, so let me give the marquee tag and just take care the nesting of the tag. Suppose marquee यहाँ पे आपका start हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे आपको finish भी करना है. जैसे H1 के बाद start हुआ तो H1 के पहले वो end होना चाहिए. Okay, so in this way you can close it here like this. Then after you save this file and then come to here. Now you can see the scrolling effect. Welcome to my website like this. Okay. Okay. So let us see some more text. If you want to add the image in your website, okay. So what you have to do, image, first what if any image you want to add it na, so just copy that image and save in the same folder where your file is. Okay, let me explain again this thing. आपको इमेज को अगर डालना है वेब पेज पे, तो उस इमेज को आप उसी फोल्डर के अंदर रखो जहां पे आपकी ये फाइल है. लेट मी शो यू दिस थिंग. सपोज दिस फाइल इज, okay, what it is saying, it is actually I have started the Internet Explorer also, है ना? So let me close this file. I don't want this because I am showing the page in your Google Chrome. Okay, so I will not use the Internet Explorer. So let us see this HTML practice. So I have created one folder called as HTML practice, and in this folder I have my file. So in this folder only I will put some image. Okay, suppose I want to add image. Let me open my computer. Let me go to the pictures folder. Some pictures are there. Uh, Suppose I'm taking some pictures here. Okay, so let me copy it. Let me copy these pictures. Just right click, copy button. After copy, just come to the same folder here and paste it. So here are my pictures, but give the name properly. Give the name properly means short. These are the names that will create different confusion. So just right click and rename it. So this is the home picture. So I am giving the home. Okay. Then after the second, it is also a home. So I am giving the home first. Then here I am also giving another name to this picture also. This is home too. Okay. So in this way, I have given the name, and also you just check the file type. So this images are the type of JPG. Okay. Now see how to do that. Come to the coding portion. So here there is an image tag. Just write down img image tag, then src source is equal to, in double quote you have to write the name of your file. So first image is home.jpg. So this is the simple tag. So img image src source and the name of the file. Okay. So just save this file. This concept will work only when you copy your image in the same folder where your HTML file is. मैं आपको बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, आपको अपनी इमेजेस को, जो भी इमेजेस हैं आपकी, जो आप वेब पेज में लगाना चाहते हो, उस इमेजेस को आप उसी फोल्डर के अंदर रखो जहां पे आपकी HTML की फाइल सेव है. जैसे हमारे केस पे हमने सारी HTML फाइल को कहां पर रखा हुआ है, HTML प्रैक्टिस फोल्डर पे, जो कि मैंने डेस्कटॉप में बनाया है. तो वहीं पे मैं अपनी इमेजेस भी रखा हूं. नाउ जस्ट रीलोड इट. So you can see the image it is coming, but it is coming very big because by default size it is coming. Hana? So you can also adjust the size. So let me give some attributes called width 300 pixels and height also 300 pixels. Okay. So again now save this file and come to this area again, reload it. So now you can see the image is coming little bit smaller. Okay, you can also keep your image in the center place. Okay, so for that just write one more tag called as center and then close the center here. Always remember the nesting, है ना? जो टैग एक्चुअली जो क्लोजिंग टैग होता है वो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में होता है. जैसे माने आप यहाँ पे सेंटर आपने स्टार्ट किया, देन इमेज टैग. ओके, then image tag there is no requirement to close it, then you have to close the center tag. Okay, so just click on save button and now check it. So now it is coming in the center. Okay, the next tag I want to explain, that is called as horizontal ruler, HR. So when this is called as empty tags because there is no need to write the closing tags. Now just click on file and save and just check it. So this type of ruler, we use this ruler for dividing the sections in our HTML page. Okay. So you can also format it, means you can increase its size. So HR size is equal to 10, and you can also give the color just like red. This values always give in the double quotes. Okay. Now just go to the file option, save button, and size is equal to 10. So the width of this horizontal rule increases and color is red. If you want to change this color, then just simply you can change the color here also. Just type green, then again save this file and come to here and reload it. So green color will come. Okay. And even if you want to make it small, just like this is the 100% width, and if you want to make it the 50% up to this only, so just there is one more attribute called as width, and just give it 50%. Okay. Width is equal to 50%. Then after, what will happen, just save this file and see the changes like this. Okay. So this is the HTML code of your, this is the first HTML program that you have done it, and this is the output of that. So I will advise you that you also create this, practice it. If any doubt it is coming, you can tell me. Okay. So this is only for today's. Practice it nicely. Thank you.